Hi friends, welcome back to Minister Stock channel. So here is the one quick update on the all the stocks those are qualified for the dividend and their the ex dividend date in the next week. So thought of updating quickly on this. There are total 8 stocks and here is the list of those 8 stocks which ex dividend next week. Which means that if you purchase any stock on the X date, you will not be eligible for the dividend value, right? So, and the stock listed below will be will trade without the value of the upcoming or announced dividend amount in the coming week for the current fiscal year. So here is the list, and this credit goes to the the Mint financial paper. I was reading the article on the Mint app, and I came through this news, and I thought this is very much important so that I can share with you guys. So let us look into this, which are those shares which are falling under this X date. So first one is here, if you are looking at so this is the first one. So let me take this activate this one. Yeah, so this is the Standard Industries. Standard Industries is the first stock, and this is the company has said in BSE exchange filing that the board of directors of the company have declared an interim dividend of rupees 1.75 per share, that is 1 rupees 75 paisa per share on 6,43,28,941 equity shares of rupees 5 each of the company for the financial year 2021 to 22 in terms of regulation 42, that is again listing obligation, and the record date has been fixed on Tuesday, that is 31st of May 2022. So here you can see this is important piece of information for this stock. The record date is fixed on Tuesday, that is 31st of May 2022 for determining entitlement of the shareholders of the company. So this is the update about the record date for Standard Industries Limited, guys. Okay, so let us look into the next one. So next one we have here, next stock in the list is Hdfs Limited. So Hdfs Limited, again HDFC is the corporation's board of directors announced and recommended a dividend of rupees 30 equity per share with face value of 2 for the fiscal year 2021-22 on May 2nd 2022, and the record date for determining the shareholders eligibility to get the dividend for the fiscal year 2021-22 as agreed by the board is Wednesday, June 1st 2022. So this is important in case of HDFC Bank. This is the record date, that is June 1st 2022, and the stock will trade ex dividend on May 31st 2022. So the stock's last traded price was 2330, which is up by 1.85% from its previous close of 2287. So this is regarding the Hdfs Limited. So next one we have HDFC Life. So let us see what is HDFC Life's date. So the company has informed BSE by saying that pursuant to regulations 42 and other applicable provisions, that is again as per listing obligations. So here is the, we need to check what is that HDFC Life's. So here is the main piece of information. So as per this is as per listing obligations and disclosure. So here is the main important news piece of information requirement. The record date for the purpose of ascertaining the entitlement of the shareholders to the final dividend of 1 rupees 75 paisa per share. So this is important piece of information here. If you can see, 1 rupees 75 paisa per share face value of rupees 10 each for the financial year 2021-22 shall be Wednesday, June 21 to 22. So here is the record date, right, and the payment of final dividend will be made on or after July 2nd 2022 as usual, like subject to approval by the members at the ensuing annual general meeting. So this is about the HDFC Life. Okay, so let us look into the another stock quickly. So here we have Infosys. So Infosys again guys, for the fiscal year 2021-22, company has declared a final dividend of rupees of 320% with the record date set for Wednesday June 1st 2022. So here this is important for Infosys. Record date is June 1st 2022 and the stock will trade ex dividend on May 31st 2022, and the final dividend payment has been, here I can read, scheduled for Tuesday, that is June 20th 2022. The stock was last traded at 1466.5, which is up by 2.99% from its previous close of rupees 1423.95. So guys, this is about the Infosys, and we'll make two more stocks are there. We'll look into that quickly. So this is one more stock which is the ex date. We are talking about GTPL Hathway, and in GTPL Hathway the company has mentioned in annual report that the board of directors has recommended a dividend of rupees 4 per equity share of 10 rupees each, fully paid up of the company last year, that is 4 per equity share of 10 each, and dividend is subject to, as usual, approval of members at the ensuing annual general meeting and shall be subject to deduction of income tax at TDS. This is fine. In an here exchange filing, company has said pursuant to regulations 42, as per that is again listing obligations. Here register member and share transfer books of the company will remain closed from Friday June 3rd 2022 Friday June 10 2022 for the purpose of the 16th annual general meeting. Okay, so this is I have one more here. So before going that, here some information, I think this is missing. Annual general meeting which will be held on June 10 2022 and payment of dividend. So this is fine. So there are here 3 more stocks are here. So this is about Advani Hotels and Resorts. So here the board of directors of the company have declared an interim dividend of ₹1 rupees 40 paisa per share, that is 70% for the said purpose. 2nd June 2022 has been fixed at the record date. So here guys, here they have clear cut information about the final dividend and the ex dividend rate here. So this is 1 rupees 40 paisa per share for the said purpose. 2nd June 2022 has been fixed as the record date, and hence the stock shall trade ex dividend on 1st June 2022. The last traded price of the stock was how much? 72 rupees 30 paisa, which was up by 1.76 paisa from previous close of 71 rupees.05. So let us look into another one, Iifl Wealth Management. The company has said in an exchange filing that we are pleased to inform you that the board of directors of the company Iifl Wealth Management Limited at its meeting held on May 25, 2022 has declared the first interim dividend for the financial year 2022-23 of rupees 20 rupees per equity share of rupees 2 each. All shareholders are requested to ensure that the below dates are completed. Okay, so this is about the Iifl Wealth Management guys. So here there is some information was missing. I can see this is applicable relevant depository participant company. So this is general information guys. So the record date is here, we can see record date is on Thursday June 2nd 22. Okay, so this is clear cut date they have mentioned, June 2nd 2022 about the Iifl Wealth Management. So let us move. The last one is Page Industries. So Page Industries, again the company has said in BSE filing that we further inform you that the board of directors of the company at their meeting held today, that is 26th of May 2022, has declared 4th interim dividend 2021-20 of rupees 70 per equity share as informed earlier. The record date fixed for the payment of interim dividend is 3rd of June 2022. So this is important, 3rd June 2022, and the date fixed for payment of dividend is on or before 24th of June 2022. Okay, so and as usual, like the stock will go ex dividend on June 2nd 2022, and the stock last traded price was 44,350, which is up by 6.16% from its previous close of rupees 41,778. So guys, these are the 8 stocks which is falling as a ex dividend. They are going to be ex dividend in the next week, so that is starting from our Monday's trading session. So I thought this is important news, important dates, and important stock names which will be you should know about this, and so that you can keep eye on this and you can take the position accordingly, or you wanted to sell any of your sales accordingly. So if you want to take any financial decisions, please don't consider this news, or I'm not giving any concrete information like based on which you can take any financial decisions. So before that, I would like to request you, please, if you want to take any financial decisions, please do consider your personal financial advisor, and then only take the financial decisions in the stock market. Okay, so that's it guys today. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video informative, please do consider for subscription, and if you feel the video is informative, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much.